morning, teacher and my dear friend. My name is Sidhi. I am talking about character lion. I am a lion. I have two ears, 4 legs and a tail. I am the king of forest. I am a strong animal in the world. I am a carnivorous animal and live in a day. Covered with yellow smooth hair. I have sharp and strong teeth. I eat fish. I run very fast. Roll very loudly. All animals humans are secret for me. Everyone must be brave and strong like me.